Okay, after a couple hours at least, maybe 3 hours, not sure, I removed quite a bit. You can see up there, if you look close. The shingles are all removed. I removed all the roofing nails. The boards need to be nailed next. So I'm going to re-nail the boards next. And got to carry a bunch of shingles off the roof. So we're going to walk up there. I'm going to grab a couple of bags here. And put some more shingles in. You can only carry down 2 at a time. So 2 bags is enough. One of the issues is we have a condemned house next to us and a half a condemned house on the other side, so hopefully someone gets inspired to fix them up or tear them down, one or the other. Okay, we're up to our second ladder. You can see all the siding that needs to be removed here. Fortunately, they did aluminum here, so that's good. I'm not going to tear that out. And here we are at the top. So you can see all the shingles we have to pick up. It's a tedious job. I do have my gloves. So we're going to, you can see I removed quite a bit. I'm debating on removing more, but I think I better cover that in or put this aluminum on that, re-nail it first. I'm going to get some long boards so I can stand better because it's supposed to start raining tonight. So I really need to get it so this is okay. Now our biggest leak is down in here, so right now it's covered up there. Well, even right here you can see the problem. See what's what? The shingles blew away, so it's going right down. So I would love to get all this done today, but I don't know. That's probably not going to happen. So I'm going to, I guess I don't know, maybe I'll put some aluminum over here if I can. It's really a tough situation because you move these shingles and they just pop off easy, break apart. So I really have no good way. I was thinking about it when I was removing it. Asphalt shingles are the perfect roof as far as you're going to be back to do it later. I don't really like them anymore. Yes, I put on many in my day when I worked carpentry work, but I'm not putting on any more. I refuse to put on any more asphalt shingles. I will find other alternatives, mainly metal, slate, or liquid Geico. I don't even like the rubber anymore. Could be situations for it, and I'm not going to remove this, but it's not ideal here, but I really need to focus on this part here and this joint. Okay, so I better quit talking and get to work.